Hello everyone, this is John Byrne. I'm Research Vice President at IDC. I'm here with Lucas Liu, President of ICT Network Operations and Assurance Portfolio. Lucas, thank you for joining us. We're here to talk about operations and assurance, and we're doing so in a context in which I think for Huawei, traditionally radio and core has captured most of the attention, and yet I would argue that operations has never been more important than it ever has as we think about a lot of the digital transformation imperatives that a lot of operators have right now. So within that context, can you talk about some of the advantages that you have, given that you've been in this business for several decades and have some foundation to build on?
First of all, as a leading ICT solution provider, Huawei always treat our customers' network stable as the first priority. In the past decade, we continue investment in the network assurance and operation domain. For the network assurance domain, we investment for both the operation facility and also the operation platform to support our customer and also empower our operation engineers. For example, we established the 2 global technical assistant center and also with 6 regional technical assistant center and 1 global spare part center and also 6 regional spare part center. We investment the platform we call the Netkill with some capability of the intelligent and automation to support our engineer. We globally manage more than 34 million network elements for our customer. In past few years, we also support our customer key event assurance, such as Olympic Games and the World Cup and even the Hajj in the Saudi. For the operation domain, we investment platform we call Outing and IMOC to improve the capability of the operation intelligence and also the automation for us to find the issues the service was impacted. After we find the issue, we also leverage on the capability of the AI to demarcation and also find the root cause faster. And even some of the case, we're trying to set up some rules, make the cover automatically. I will also believe the operation transformation will not only the digital platform, it's also related with the people and the process, which we call 3P.
So you touched on some interesting themes. I think we're moving into an era in which operations and assurance are becoming about the basic traditional requirements of network efficiency, closed-loop automation, root cause analysis. Those types of imperatives are always going to be there. And yet for the digital era, there are some new capabilities that are coming online, like AI and GenAI, which have captured a lot of attention recently. So can you talk about some of the portfolio developments that you're seeing and how you're integrating into the portfolio?
We have a different scenario for the career customer and the enterprise customer. Most of the operators, they are not only focused on the network KPIs and network operation efficiencies. They are also very care about how their service experience to their end customer. In past few years, we are trying to introduce the AI capability, improve the operation efficiency and service experience to the end user. We are working with the customer and some of the standard organizations like the TM Fornu. We published some white paper, the transfer operation from the network-centric to the service-centric. Now we can offer our customer some service to support them reduce traffic loss and improve their customer satisfaction. For the enterprise market, most of the customers speed up their digital transformation, focus on how digital infrastructure can support their business. It's a challenge for them to build the relationship between the application and the infrastructure. So sometimes when the infrastructure has the problems, can't know exactly which application will be impacted. Maybe we saw the application was impacted, but we don't know what's the actually network element causing the problem. In past few years, we also investment a lot with the AI and big data to build the relationship between the application and the ICT infrastructure to support our customer, focus on the applications experience and the ICT infrastructure KPIs or the SLAs.
So as you think about network assurance and network operations within that context of with a services focus or a services angle to it, are there specific use cases that you're seeing now that you think are good examples of that, both on the carrier side and also on the enterprise side?
Of course, I can give you a few of the case. We're working with our customer last year. We developed an AI module we call EDNS. With this module, we can accurately know once we have the network incident, what kind of the service will be impacted and which user will be inspected. So based on this information, we can modify our proactive network restoration. And also we can set up some automation rules to keep service alive. Last year, we successfully reduced 15% of the traffic loss for the customer. It's in the Asia Pacific. Another case is in the Middle East. We provide the FTTH operation for our customers. There is a big challenge for our customers. It's difficult for them to know the exactly top logic for the network. And also it's difficult for them to know the customer issues before the customer complaint. Last year, we are using the AI capability to improve the accuracy of the topology. We can reduce the work order and also improve the certification. In this project, we reduced like 60% of the work order, and this will actually contribute a lot to our customers' OPEX. And at the same time, we also noticed that their customer compliance reduced 10 to 15%. Globally, we provide more than 100 managed service projects to our carrier customer. We have 3 global NOC over the world: Romania, Egypt, and Mexico. We tried some GenAI capability in the Egypt GNOC because we noticed from the GNOC every day we have a large number of the communication between the front office and the field engineer. Also, there is a large number of communication inside the NOC themselves. So we leverage on the GenAI capability, and so the knowledge we have in past 13 years, we create front office copilot and also the FME copilot to support our engineer. They can easily do some query or information by themselves. One we saw like 20 to 25% efficiency improvement for the enterprise market. We also implement this kind of the solution in the Shenzhen airport. It's a quite big airport in China. After we implement the solutions, we also their operation efficiency 20 or 30% improvement. Their ICT infrastructure resource usage like the 20%.
Okay, and so now as you look into your crystal ball and you look at your operations portfolio and you think about your investment priorities there, where do you see the portfolio going over the next 3 years?
I think there's a certain direction we believe for the operation and the assurance business will move forward. First, we believe the operation will move from the network-centric to the service-centric. And also the operation model will change from the people-centric to man-machine collaboration. We will continue investment with this kind of the automation and AI capability. We also understand because the operation business is quite complex, multi-window, multi-domain. Huawei definitely cannot complete everything by ourselves. We will collaborate with our customer, our partner, and some of the standard organization to build the new operation standard. Last year in DTW, we published the generation intelligent operation white paper with the team Forneo and also some of the operator together, and define the process, what's the platform, what's the engineer scale set requirement for the new generation of the operation. This year we will renew and publish the white paper to all of the investment and also collaboration with different partners in this domain.
Lucas, thank you for sharing your thoughts and vision today.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.